As you lock it up, they kind of want to do this, and then they don't want to roll very good.
What are you feeling when you grab that?
That's supposed to be relatively snug when it's done, like the bottom one.
I see.
The bottom one, the bearing's all the way placed in, so. And I also can tell if I'm right by how tight these spacers fit in there. And I'm not there yet. But you gotta keep rolling it to keep all the bearings and everything seated. See, now it's real loose because I rolled it. See, now don't move anymore. Just a very little bit. That's what I'm looking for. This is about right. Yep, the spacers are nice and snug. Okay, we're good. That's where we want to be. Okay, so we're good here. Yep, that'll work. And them guys are nice, I like that. And all that grinding grit's in there. I'll make sure you get all that out. Definitely don't want that getting into the bearings. So yeah, they do all that. And all we do is I make sure that this guide's good, that everything fits. I put it on the sleeve they put into the case already. A little bit of lube on the seal makes it last a bit longer. Ah, there we go. What do we got here? We got 475, 85, 93, 493. Okay. Yeah, well, you got to help yourself, because if you don't, you're not going to get anything done. That's for sure. Change out the grease fitting and grease it anyway first. Get that out of the way. We just swap them out. We don't even try to use them. We just put new ones in and be done with it. Right there. This takes about 150 shots. I typically count them. You know, put some in and then turn it to spread it. And put a little more in, spread it again. Because otherwise, it'll say, for example, just come out right here. As long as you keep moving it, you keep distributing it all the way around on the inside. Oh, we're picking up grease now. It's getting heavy.
Oh yeah. Wow.
And we're good. I don't have to worry about the back one. If it's coming out here, it's getting the back one too. Oh. Okay, 507 is the difference. So we want to do probably 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. And we got somewhere in business now. Oh, that worked. Okay. Once it's on there, I just trim it off all the excess. Sometimes, like today, this getting old shit sucks. My hands hurt, my back hurts, my neck hurts. Okay, we'll do some fine tuning on that.
What do they call that?
This is just a pick.
Pick.
Yeah, I got that on the other side, this on the other side. I didn't think so.
I don't think he's going to get up again.
Huh?
I think you're going to stay down there now.
It feels more comfortable here.
Yeah.
These are for setting gibs on a press. If you know what gibs are,
No.
starts at 1.5.
Wow.
2, 3. I think this goes up to 20. I mean, when you're working with clearances of only a thou and a half, you know, and this thing is, you know, the die itself weighs like 60,000 pounds. Yeah, the machine itself is, without no die, is almost 100,000 pounds. We lost one once on the Dan Ryan Expressway. Fell off the trailer. Yeah. Closed the expressway for 4 days. The riggers had to pay for it all. They didn't rig it properly. Another time we had a whole machine. That was my punch press that fell off the truck. We had another machine that was hanging on a crane in France and in the shipyard. You know, went over on a boat. And it wasn't a punch press, it was a different machine called a net or flanger. and I guess it was like 120 feet up in the air, and one of the chains broke. This thing, it's a modular machine, this one had 12 modules on it, and when they pulled it out of the water, it looked like a pretzel. Literally. It took 3 years to get it back. It got put into a warehouse in France until all the investigations and all the settlements were finished before we would get the machine back. It actually turns very nicely, just like it's supposed to. Okay. The next thing is I gotta fit my seal in here and make sure we're good to go. Oh, this is only so I don't crash the seal O-ring. Okay. We're good. Okay. Oh, that's that. So what is that? Oh, that's that plywood. Okay. So I'm going to say we're good to go. So this is going to go back in the box. I just wanted to be sure the pilot's on. There's no issues.
No, so you're going to be doing this tomorrow?
Yeah. Are you going to come in and finish videoing?